Restoring artifacts. A journey through time. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines history, art, and science: restoring artifacts. Whether you're an English language learner or simply curious about cultural preservation, this video will shed light on what it means to restore artifacts and why it's so important for understanding our past. So, let's embark on this journey together and explore the art of bringing history back to life. Restoring artifacts refers to the process of repairing, conserving, and sometimes reconstructing historical objects to preserve their cultural significance and historical integrity. Artifacts can range from paintings, sculptures, and manuscripts to buildings and ancient tools. The goal is to stabilize these items, prevent further deterioration, and, in some cases, return them to their original appearance. Restoration is a delicate balance between preservation and alteration, always aiming to respect the artifact's historical value and authenticity. Why bother restoring artifacts? The answer lies in their ability to connect us with our history. Artifacts are tangible links to the past, telling stories of how people lived, what they valued, and how they interacted with their environment. By restoring them, we ensure that these stories are not lost to time. Restoration also plays a crucial role in educational and cultural contexts, allowing future generations to learn from and be inspired by the achievements of those who came before us. The restoration process is both an art and a science. It typically involves several steps. 1. Assessment. Specialists examine the artifact to understand its condition, materials, and historical context. 2. Cleaning. Careful removal of dirt, grime, or previous restoration attempts that might have been harmful. 3. Stabilization. Preventing further deterioration through environmental controls or treatments. 4. Repair, reconstruction. Mending damaged parts or, in some cases, reconstructing missing elements based on thorough research. 5. Documentation. Keeping detailed records of the restoration work for future reference and study. Each step is carried out with utmost respect for the artifact's integrity, ensuring that any interventions are reversible and do not compromise its original state. Restoration is fraught with challenges. One major issue is the ethical dilemma of how much to intervene without altering the artifact's essence. Another challenge is the technological limitation. Despite advances in restoration techniques, some damages are irreversible. Furthermore, restoring artifacts requires a multidisciplinary approach, combining knowledge in history, chemistry, art, and more, which can be difficult to coordinate effectively. Restoring artifacts is a crucial yet challenging endeavor that helps us preserve our cultural heritage and connect with our history on a deeper level. Through careful and respectful restoration practices, we can ensure that future generations will have the opportunity to learn from and be inspired by the artifacts of the past. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. We hope you found this exploration as fascinating as we did, and we look forward to sharing more interesting topics with you in the future. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.